Example 2, relax. This is the safe peanut butter because it's on the smart board. Okay? Example 2 says, your company, you have a company. Yesterday you worked at the deli. Today you own a company. Nice job. Okay. It says your company is producing a new type of peanut butter. Excellent. To help design the product, you conduct a survey. Let's talk about peanut butter for just a moment. My peanut, I love it. I love the crunchy, not the creamy, but that's me. I also like vanilla ice cream. Everybody has their own preference. I like crunchy peanut butter. But my peanut butter, Bailey, when you look at the ingredients for my peanut butter at home, the ingredients are peanuts, salt. That's it. I mean, that's what it says in the ingredients. It's peanuts, salt. That's it. It doesn't have any kind of partially hydrogenated, corn oil or palm oil or anything like that to make sure that the oil, peanuts have oil in them, right? And when you crush them, the oil is forced out of them. And so when you crush peanuts, the oil mixes with the crumpled parts of the peanut and it creates a paste, it creates peanut butter. You can either crush it completely and so that it's creamy, or you can leave chunks in it. You don't crunch it as much. But in the end, mine just has peanuts and salt. I just wanted to say that. I love my peanut butter. I get it at Whole Foods. I love it. You conduct a survey to find people's peanut butter preferences. The results of the survey are shown in the circle graph below. Oh, look, we have a circle graph. It's right here. It's right here. Nice. Okay. Find the sum of the fractions. Well, wait a minute. Wait a minute. If I add all the parts of the circle graph together, what should be the sum? Raise your hand. Zachary? Not 100, that's 100%.
It's supposed to be 10.
Not 10. Hannah? 1. We're adding all parts of the circle together to get one circle. Okay? Good. But let's check it. Let's make sure. Let's make sure. We've got a 6 that don't like either. We have an 8 that like both creamy and crunchy. We have a 3rd that likes crunchy. And we have 3/8 that prefer smooth. So we need to add these 4 fractions together. Okay? So let me go down here. And I'm going to do, let's see, 1/6 plus 1/8 plus 1/3 plus 3/8. Now let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. This is a sum, correct? Okay. Do I have a common denominator? No, I don't. But let me ask you this. Just looking at these, can you see a common denominator? No, not 8. Can you see a common denominator, Elise? 24. 6 goes into 24, 8 goes into 24, 3 goes into 24, 8 goes into 24. Can I use the ladder to find it if I wanted to?
Yes.
Sure. Write down the different denominators that you have. You've got 6, you've got 8, and you've got 3. But remember, the ladder only works 2 at a time. So I'm going to work on these 2 first. 6 and 8. Does anything go into both 6 and 8, Emma?
Yes.
What? 2. 2 times 3 and 2 times 4. So what's the least common denominator between these numbers? 2 times 3 is 6. Times 4 is 24. Then I need to check these 2. 24 and 3. Is there anything that goes into 24 and 3? Now, 3 does. 3 times 8 and 3 times 1. Okay? I check my least common denominator. 3 times 8 is 24, times 1 is 20. So 24 is the least common denominator. Excellent. So now I'm going to rewrite all these fractions, Isabella. But they're all going to have 24 on the bottom. That makes it easy. Now I need to know what I'm going to get on top. It looks like I'm going to have to pause here because I spent so much time talking about peanut butter, but that's okay.
It's so good.
All right, I'm going to come back. I'm going to stop this one. Next video, we'll finish it up.